Once upon a time in the land of Pixar, somebody did a /bin/rm-r-f splat command and deleted the entire Toy Story 2 film while it was in production. Greetings, I'm Dr. Will, and welcome to Dr. Will's Software Quality Channel, where we are raising the quality of software being built today. In the early days of computing, source control meant not dropping your card deck. The first time I saw a grown man cry was a graduate student with his program strewn all over the floor of the computer science building, weeping. The first time that happened to you, you learned to number the cards in your card deck. Now things are different, with tens, hundreds, maybe thousands of files, maybe tens of thousands of files spread out across multiple different real and virtual machines across multiple different continents, with teams working worldwide on projects. But the more things change, the more they seem to stay the same. If you've already subscribed to the channel, I thank you for that. And if you would like to, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and whack the bell in order to be notified of future content. I came across the description of the Pixar recursive delete in a recent Quora post, and I was amazed that something of such high value as a slam dunk, money-making animated film was being developed without version control and nightly backups and offsite storage. Now, version control and nightly backups and offsite storage are two different things, or can be two different things. But the version control itself, especially one that's in the cloud, usually comes with backups and offsite storage as a side effect. A distributed version control system like Git maintains the file tree in the cloud, where it is typically mirrored and backed up daily as a matter of policy. Version or source control is a best practice that manages the source code of a project when it's under development. In my opinion, it should be used for any high-value knowledge product, whether it's source code or an animated film. It is especially important for products that are going to be developed by multiple different people simultaneously in multiple different places. Version control system keeps track of all of the modifications made to the system so that at any time you can construct the current state of the product, or you can go back and reconstruct any previous state of the product during its development. Was it C.S. Lewis that once said sometimes if you're going down the wrong road, the quickest way ahead is to go back to where you made a mistake and then proceed along the correct road. So this kind of system allows you to do exactly that, to go back to a previous version where things were still good and then proceed forward. In any case, a large team of people working on any one knowledge product would often consist of different people doing different things at the same time. In a software project, for example, you may have one group of people who's working on new features and new development for the next version of the software that's going to be released. Notice the word version there. There's also people working on earlier versions of the system that are still deployed out in the field, fixing defects and that sort of thing, back propagating fixes to things that are going to appear in future releases. And then you've got people working on documentation, test cases and test plans, and all of the other parts of the system that go together to make it up. The version control system makes it possible for all these different people to be working on the same project at the same time without stepping on each other's toes. Could you develop software or any knowledge product without a version control system? Well, sure, but you shouldn't. It only takes dropping your deck once, or one instance of a /bin/rm-f-r splat command, to make even the most footloose code slinger an ardent supporter of version control, daily backups, and offsite storage. This channel is dedicated to quality, especially software quality. So if you'd like more content like this, then please subscribe and hit the bell below for notification when new content is available. Also, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, or whatever, be sure to drop them in the comments and we'll be happy to entertain them at a later date with a little bit of footloose. That's it for me, for you for now. I hope you have a great day and a great week. You be careful out there. I'll be seeing you. Bye.